Most security camera systems are reactive. Something happens and later someone has to dig through footage to figure out what happened. Platforms like those from i3 International, which LVC sells, installs, and services, turn cameras into proactive tools for property managers. The system can detect slip and falls, identify blocked fire exits, and alert security if someone is lingering in restricted areas like stairwells. Since slip and fall claims average $30,000 to $40,000 and can exceed $100,000, having clear video evidence is critical for proving a property was not negligent. With incident management, staff can attach video directly to the report so evidence is preserved if a claim appears years later. And this is just a small portion of the benefits smart cameras and analytics provide to protect and manage commercial properties. Contact LVC Companies at lvcinc.com/contact or call 888-825-824826 to learn more.